Step one, we pour a little bit of oil in here.
Oh, I see what chosen was.
Okay, y'all see the oil?
Yeah.
That's step one. Y'all see the oil?
Yeah.
Step two, girls. All right, we get a little bit of water. We pour some water in there. All right, you see the water? Okay. All right, now step three, girls. You take some food coloring of your choice. Drop a little food coloring in there, as much as you want. And why are we putting blue in here?
Because so it can make it blue.
Yeah, like your eyes.
It's getting blue.
It's getting blue. Y'all see that?
Yeah.
Whoa, blue. Okay, that's last step. Step 4. Okay, we're gonna put a little Alka-Seltzer plus something in now. Okay. Drop some of these in here. You see it? There we go. Now watch what it does. Do y'all see that?
Yeah.
You know what that is?
What?
It's a lava cup.
Yes, a lava cup.
Yes.
And the all stuff is inside.
Now look at that. Yes.
And there's bubbles.
Yes. You see the bubbles?
Yes.
Are you not amazed?
Get.
Yeah. Look how cool that is.